Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to download and install the YuppTV application to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to install the YuppTV application to your Hisense Smart TV, here's exactly what to do. The first thing is for you to make sure the application is not installed to your smart TV, and once you do that, then go over to your app store over here. Here's mine. It's called the Vida App Store, which comes with every Hisense Smart TV. So if you have any Hisense Smart TV, you should have the same app store like this. So once you're here, what you have to do, go back to the search button and just type in the name of application, which in this case is YuppTV. So what I'll do is just go over here and type in the application, which is YuppTV. So just bear with me as I type YuppTV. I don't know if it's one word. Okay, T and V. Oh my god. T V. So as you search, you are going to get results like this. I can just browse through to see the option that we are looking for. And here's what we're looking for, YuppTV. And just click on it once. And then you'll be able to install from here after reading the instructions or the information about the application. Just click on install, and the application is going to go straight away and install to your Hisense Smart TV. And that is it. Once you install, you can choose the position where to place the application, and you're good to go. And then you can launch the application on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.